OpenAI's Sora 2 just dropped, and we are one of the first platforms where you can use it without a waitlist. In this video, I will show you how to create your first AI video in under 5 minutes. This is Sora 2. Here are some example videos OpenAI created. Let's grab one of the prompts so we can generate it as well. Here on Hey everyone, today I have massive news. OpenAI just launched Sora 2, the most advanced AI video model ever created. And guess what? We've integrated it as one of the first platforms on UlazAI. If you go to the dashboard, you will see all the videos that are being generated. Let's check the latest one. This is still in progress. Let's go to text to video, grab the prompt from OpenAI, enter it, generate video, and we will get an email when the video is done. We can just let it run. No waitlist, no hassle, just get started immediately. Let me show you what Sora 2 can do and how you can use it.
Oh my gosh! Did it just take the fish?
Stop that cat! Watch out!
Heading for the
These
door.
kind of videos are getting millions of views on TikTok. And you can all generate them by your own. This one as well. Cool one. You can generate text to video or image to videos. Sora 2 is OpenAI's AI model that generates videos from text or images. But this isn't just average AI video generator. It's HD quality, 10 seconds of videos with motion and audio, realistic physics and lighting. The difference between Sora 2 and other AI video tools is night and day. Look at the movement, the detail, and the consistency. Let's check the status of this. Alright, this is done. Let's go.
Right there.
Where's the machine I used yesterday?
Right there.
Seriously?
I'm kidding. It's this way.
Where's the machine I used yesterday?
Cool video.
Right.
This is a video that's pretty cool. Just generated it with Sora 2. We have currently 20% extra credits because Sora 2 launched. If you go to the package page, the pricing page, you will immediately get the credits into your account. All the generated videos will be in the directory. So as you can see, this is the final one. If you go to your generated video, you can press view, add to prompt directory, and the system will generate your video and add it to the prompt directory. As you can see, it's over here. We can watch it.
Where's the machine I used yesterday?
Right there.
Seriously?
Cool one. Let's go back to UlazAI. If you have any questions about this new Sora 2, oh, this one is done as well. Let's look at it.
Oh, wow. That's really thoughtful. Thanks.
We could sit by the log again, watch the sun drop, maybe stay the night.
I don't know if I can.
Cool. This was the. We can look at the one from.
The forest is perfect for hiding. I think I just found something. Look at the size of this print.
Wait, did you see that? Something's moving over there. That's gotta be him. I'm going after
Hey
it.
there, traveler.
This is kind of wild. Turns out I can actually.
We're out here in the Pacific
Why is
Northwest
the
hunting for the
video
legendary
just,
Bigfoot.
The forest is perfect for hiding. I think I just found
This
something.
looks like
Look at
an
the size-
image
This
to
is kind of
video
wild.
model.
Turns out I can actually fly. Watch, ready?
Yeah, they're trying to. We can just use this one as well and add this to the prompt directory. And that's also done. Let's go back to generate a new one, text to video, and let's see what we will get now. We can go back to the dashboard and just wait. This is how you can generate new videos. You can even use the already templates that we got on the page. Sora 2. That's happy creating, and if you have any questions, just contact me on X or send me an email.